Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sephra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification.
Welcome to Sephra Korea's channel. This is Sephra's mom Madeline with you in the kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you Sukke prawn, fresh prawns, dry. What to say? It is anyway. After I prepare that dish, you will know what it is. It is Sukke fresh prawns. I will show you how to clean it. Okay, you have to devein it. It's very important. I've taken half kg of prawns. I have deveined it just to save the time, and I will show you how to devein it. Now look here. You just cut the back side of the prawn, dip it in the water. I've just kept two aside to show you. Dip it in the water and you see. It has to be taken out. See. Now see the second one. See, the vein is here. You know, this is very bad because it can upset your stomach. It's very important to clean the vein. And if the prawn is smaller, then the vein can come out through the stomach here. See, done. So this is half kg. I will wash it in one more water. Since this is the Sukke way of preparing the fresh prawns, I will light the vessel straight away. There is no question of grinding here because I've got all the dry masalas. Put it on high flame. Spoon of coconut oil. I think I will use little, another half. Let the oil become hot. See, the oil is hot, just sprinkle, put something in it. Now it has to heat. Finely chopped the garlic cloves. It is half pot of garlic cloves. So just fry it nicely. The two big onions. These onions have to be fried well. You can make the flame medium. Make the flame medium. Fry the onions till they become semi-brown color, not too much brown. Keep on stirring so that you don't burn it. Medium flame. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it well. See that the flame is medium only. This is half teaspoon of plain chilli powder. A small half of turmeric. Less than half garam masala powder. Keep stirring. Puree of 1 big tomato. Reduce the flame. Let the tomato cook and leave the sides of the okay. See that the flame is medium, medium. Now I put these are 2 capsicums, finely chopped. Stir it. Let it cook for a minute. Flame is medium, medium. Now I can put the prawns in it. Half kg prawns these. I have washed in 2 waters. Make it medium the flame. And prawns you should not keep for long time. About 3 minutes you can cook in it. Increase the flame to medium. Okay. Close it and let it cook for 3 minutes. You can add the capsicum and cook it beforehand only, but because I like it crunchy, I have added it and cooked for a lesser time. And now I allow this prawns to cook for medium flame to cook for 3 minutes. See, 3 minutes are enough. Don't cook it for a longer time because these prawns tend to become like rubber. Okay, another minute you can increase the flames because I want it sukka. Let little more this thing get here. Putting handful of grated fresh coconut is optional, but I like. Allow the water. I have increased the flame because let little water get evaporated. I think it is done, Safra, enough because the water gets, I'm putting it off. Many variations of preparing prawns. Okay, you can just prepare it with only pepper. Okay. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you a lot of cuisine. Fish food, meats, vegetables, anything you ask for it. Come, Julian, you taste. And you tell honestly about the salt and all, Julian. It's fish food, no? It takes salt easily, very fast. You tell honestly, it is hot. It's hot. It's hot. Hot it is.
Wow.
Honestly, tell us salt and all that.
Very nice. I taste the gravy also.
It tastes the gravy. You must tell honestly, huh, Julian, because my viewers require honest comments, no frills at all.
Nice it is. I liked it.